So hello everyone. Now moving on, what we are making next here is take out your drawing pages and start it. Okay. Take your sketches, pens, and we are drawing a lion here. And because those shabby hairs could be of lion only, and he is the king of the forest. Sorry, you might not like that. Okay. So he is looking quite happy though, so I can make a joke on him. So he's happy, and we are also happy. Now for the next part, what we are doing here is we are making a frog, and yeah. So your frog is almost done. I really like those big eyes. These are like all glittery and sparkly. But yeah, so for the coloring part, all you have to do is fill them. What could be better than that? Okay, now moving on, we are making a big mushroom here, so you also have to do the same. And for the next part, even I'm trying to think, we are making your mushroom word again so that you can live here one day, and yeah, you can actually live here. Now for the next part, all you have to do is, okay, so this one is going to be a mandala art type of a thing. So we have made a a carrot here, and okay, so it's like near the basket, and we will keep your veggies in them. Of course, if there's a basket, there should be veggies around, and done. So yeah, almost done. So thank you for watching the video.